Hi guys, Shane here from Brean Country Club. So today we're going to be doing Brean Country Club lodges in 60 seconds. Ready, set, go. Stunning guys, look at that fireplace, absolutely love it. Beautiful, washing machine, dishwasher. Look at that headboard guys, absolutely stunning. Contemporary shower room, matte black finish, love it. Swift Edmonton this way. Hi guys, Swift Edmonton 3-bed. Let's have a look at this. It's absolutely stunning. Look at this guys, absolutely beautiful. Just here goes ensuite shower, absolutely stunning. Love the colours, lovely feature wallpaper as well. What I like about this one is you do get a bath as well. Loads of room, love that headboard. Oh, velvety, lovely. Second twin. Look at this. Oh, it's stunning. Look at it, beautiful. You get some unbelievable sunsets out here. It is beautiful. What a place to be. Love it. Oh. Look at this. How cool is this? 7-berth this one guys. Look at the bedroom. This is the twin room. Fantastic, look at that headboard. Oh, it's so velvety, it's lovely. Family bathroom, again, that massive shower. Look at that. What a great place to dine. Super modern, super cool. But look at this guys, just imagine this, eh? Get the barbie out, summer's day, the sunsets. Oh, it's just beautiful, what a place to be.